After a really long time, guys, we finally have the OnePlus 6 here in the office, and we have the Mirror Black edition that comes with 64 gigs of storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get this unboxed. So guys, as you can see for yourself, this is the OnePlus 6 and it is an untouched OnePlus 6. So, we have the pleasure of peeling out the plastic and unboxing it. And if the OnePlus box is the same as the previous one, the first thing we're going to see is the phone. The OnePlus 6 Mirror Black Edition. You can see a lot of design changes with the OnePlus 6 compared to the other OnePlus, but of course we'll get to that later. For now, let's take a look at what they have in the box. So of course we have your regular dash charge cable and the dash charge adapter, OnePlus proprietary charging technology, and here we have the silicone case that comes with OnePlus. So after the OnePlus 5, OnePlus started adding their own silicone or TPU cases, as some of you call it. So this is very nice for those of you that prefer to have protection in your phone. You get it right out the box. So other than that, of course, we have our usual documentations and of course the SIM tool. So let's get started by on-ing the phone, but before that, alright guys, so we have got the phone set up, and as you can see, it comes with OnePlus. Most OnePlus phones, it comes with an AMOLED display, and you can see this is also an AMOLED display, so the color reproduction is very nice. Excellent for those of you that want to play games, watch movies, or just do social media browsing. It's going to be very nice for you. Yes, sadly there is a notch at the top of the phone, which OnePlus has said that you can hide the notch, but if you're going to hide the notch, might as well not put a notch there. So anyway, let's take a look at the build quality of the phone. Now, as I mentioned before, it comes with the glass back, so this gives it a very nice premium feel to the phone, and also it is curved at the side, so it fits very nice in your hand. I really like this improvement in design, and of course at the bottom here, if you can see, there's no serial numbers or codes like that. All it has is just designed by OnePlus, so that adds even more of a premium feel to the phone. Other than that, of course, this phone comes with the Oxygen OS, which OnePlus is known for, and it gives you a very stock Android experience. So this is very nice for those of you that don't want too much of fancy skins and all that. So this is definitely an excellent solution for you. So most of you know that OnePlus is now going into this face unlock thing, which they do pretty well. It's not accurate, but it is fast. So let's check it out on the OnePlus 6. So first of all, let's check out the fingerprint sensor, which again, most of you know the fingerprint sensor is very fast on the OnePlus. So just tap, it's already on. Now next, let's take a look at the face unlock. So I've already set up the face unlock, so let's just check it out. Immediately on the phone, it doesn't even go to the lock screen, it straight away goes into the home screen, which is something I really like how OnePlus implements this face unlock. Let's try it one more time. Straight away into the phone. So this is, so again, like I said, yes, it's again, they have said that it's not accurate, it's not a very accurate face unlock, but if you want this fast unlocking feature, then it's there for you. And for me, as a OnePlus user, I'm definitely using this feature on my OnePlus 3T as well. Alright, so I know most of you guys already know that OnePlus is not really good when it comes to camera, but however they did say that they have improved the camera on the OnePlus 6 compared to the OnePlus 5. So this phone comes with a 16 megapixel and a 20 megapixel camera on the back of the phone. So with that guys, let's check out the picture quality of these cameras. So I'm going to do here again, I'm just going to take a quick picture of the Iron Man and see what the camera can produce. Okay, so I took a picture of Iron Man. Now, as you can see for yourself, the color reproduction is not so great. I mean, I would say that there are definitely better phones out there that can produce much better colors, and also details are not that great. As you can see, you can't really see the creases on Iron Man's head, so it's a bit of a shame that the camera is not improved that much. It definitely is better than the OnePlus 5T, but again, it's really not on par with most of the flagships out there. So let's take a look at a selfie shot. Now the selfie shot is not too bad. As you can see, again, details are not that great, especially if you can see with my beard and the top of my hair, but the color is, I believe, is slightly better compared to the front camera. So it might be that they put a bigger focus on the front camera rather than the back camera, but nevertheless, I think most of you know OnePlus is just not really that good with cameras. So we've taken a look at the camera quality. Now let's take a look at the camera app. Now as you can see here, the camera app is actually pretty simple. There's not really much there compared to many other phones out there. So what we have in photo mode is basically the timer, HDR settings, aspect ratio, and of course the flash at the top there. So we also have a video option here, and of course we have the portrait option, which basically gives you that bokeh effect. So guys, let's try a portrait shot. I'm gonna take a quick one of Iron Man over here. Okay, it processes a bit. So okay, as you can see guys, the bokeh effect, I kind of like the bokeh effect, to be honest, because it's not so it's not over the top compared to the other phones where the background is like completely blur. At least this you can still make out a little bit more details at the back, so it's a more natural bokeh shot. However, again, camera details are still not that great. The blur is definitely going on top of the subject that you're focusing on, so again, blur effect not that great. Overall, again, the camera is still not so great. It is better, but you know, So guys, there you have it. That is the OnePlus 6. Now, as you know, with most OnePlus phones, they do not have a huge focus on the camera. However, yes, the camera is definitely improved, but for those of you that want a pure, powerful Android experience, then the OnePlus offers that at a much cheaper price compared to many other flagships out there. So guys, just as a recap, which I already know, most of you already know, but the OnePlus comes with the latest Snapdragon 845 processor. This model comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Now, of course, OnePlus has other variations of the phone. So they'll have an 128 GB storage for 2,799 ringgits. Now that will come in the mirror black, the midnight black, and the silk white edition. The silk white will be coming soon, by the way. And we have the 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, which retails for 3,099 ringgits. Now that is only limited to the midnight black version. So guys, there you have it. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not, because we take out videos like this all the time. And of course, we were in Computex last week, so you can check out those videos which are in our YouTube page. And with that guys, I will see you in the next video.